And in a landmark step for Indian cinema, Women in Film India, backed by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Government of India, has brought India's first ever women-led delegation to the Toronto International Film Festival. This historic initiative places Indian women filmmakers at the forefront of one of the world's most influential cinematic platforms. DD India's Munmun Bhattacharya spoke to Guneet Monga Kapoor and all the women emerging filmmakers team from India that she is mentoring. Take a listen.
Academy Award-winning producer Guneet Monga Kapoor and 6 emerging filmmakers from different parts of India are here in Toronto, even as the 50th International Film Festival in Toronto is on. And Guneet, she is a woman on a mission here. Let's ask her about her mission. Please tell.
Thank you for having me here. Today in Toronto, I'm here with an organization called Women in Film India. It's an organization that we founded to support more women filmmakers, and very grateful to Waves Prasar to have this opportunity that we are all here today in Toronto.
How has this visit been for you? Has it been constructive?
Absolutely. It's been great, actually. A lot of exposure, a lot of meetings with everyone around the world. So, yeah, it's been exciting. Hopefully, this will go further and more women come here next year.
This was a long haul, wasn't it? 200 plus projects and zeroed in on a few of them?
Yeah, but 50 years of NFDC, 50 years of Toronto this year, and this is the first debut, it's a debut platform for women to come here and represent their projects. So it's a great start, I would say.
One thing I can definitely say is most people know Guneet Monga for her Oscars, but what you might not know is that she has a philosophy, which I'm not sure if she's aware of, but she emulates it every day. And that is, don't just pitch your project, pitch your people.
What is your takeaway from this visit?
I think it was important because I've directed 7 films, so I would think that it gets easier. But then I think like she's established, and with every other filmmaker, you realize that every project is just as good as new. The effort you have to put in is just as good as new. So coming here and the kind of people we are meeting and the fabulous experience and the fact that the Indian government has supported us and brought us here along with WIF India. And I think it's a great opportunity for us to get that exposure. And that's good for every individual project. Whether you're in the first stage of your career or somewhere in between, it still makes a lot of a difference.
Will we be seeing more versions of this in future?
I hope we get more support, and I hope with this the message goes out that there is a lot more work that needs to be done. And this is just the start. Thank you.
It's just the start. Thank you so much, Guneet Monga, and the 6 budding and emerging women filmmakers from India here to make a mark, and here to send out a message of gender parity, women empowerment, women leadership in the world of cinema. With cameraman YK Loknath, this is Munmun Bhattacharya from Toronto for DD India.